Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to text Casey Zander. First, identify the most appropriate method for contact. Casey Zander often provides specific communication guidelines through his official platforms. Always prioritize respectful and concise messaging. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively, ensuring your message is well received and understood. We will cover finding contact details and crafting your initial text. To find Casey Zander's contact details, begin by visiting his official website. Many professionals list preferred communication methods there, such as a specific business phone number or a contact form. Also, explore his official social media profiles, like Instagram or LinkedIn, as direct messaging might be an option. Always ensure you are using an official source to avoid misinformation. When crafting your text, begin with a clear, brief introduction, stating your name and the reason for your message. Be direct and respectful, keeping your text concise, ideally under 150 characters. Avoid slang or overly casual language. Before hitting send, always proofread your message carefully to correct any typos or grammatical errors, ensuring professionalism. After crafting your message, send it during standard business hours to increase the likelihood of a timely response. Be patient and allow a reasonable amount of time, perhaps 2 to 3 business days, before considering a follow-up. If you do follow up, keep it brief and polite. Remember to check the description for a link to amazing leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. This helps support the channel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.